Hello everyone, welcome back to the another tutorial of our Java programming series. In the last video we will discuss about the syntax of a Java program. Now in this video I will discuss about data types in Java. So before wasting time I will open first PDF. So what is a data type in Java? Data type, as the name indicates, it gives us information about type definition of the variable. That means type of data which is to be stored in variable. What kind of data you will be stored in variable is called as data type. Like you will be store integer, you will be store character in a variable. Now categories of a data type in Java. There will be two categories in the Java, like a primitive and non-primitive. First discuss primitive. Now primitive data type. The Java programming language is strictly type, which means that all variables must first be declared before they can be used. Now primitive data type will be a subcategories like a numeric and non-numeric. Numeric store will be a decimal and integer portion, and non-numeric will be a store like a character and Boolean values. Now I will explain with the example these data type. So I will open first notepad. So open the new, then right here basic structure of program, public class variable data type. Then use public static void main string then open body. Then here will be a right like int a will be a store 10, int will be a data type, a will be a variable, and 10 will be a integer literal. So integer, this is a double line, forward slash line will be a single line comment in Java. Integer will be store 4 bytes in memory. We can say is 32 bit. Now second one is byte. Byte is an also data type. Then use a variable, store like 23, then byte will be a store 1 byte. So I will first save this program. Okay, here will be a data type dot Java. Okay, here we use 1. So will be store 1 byte in memory. means 8-bit. Then after third one is short, as variable store like 24, then in memory allocation store 2 bytes, means 16-bit. Then after long, 8 bytes means 64-bit. Then these 4 data types will be stored an integer value. Now float will be stored in decimal values, like I will use a variable f, then I will store floating value. It will be a 4-byte store in memory, means 8 means 16, 32 bits, 32 bit. And then last one in is a int byte short and longer than double, also store a floating value. It's a 8-byte memory, means 64-bit. These 6 data type in Java, and these are the numeric data type. Now character will be stored, here will be use a single quote, use a single character, because you will be stored in 1 byte in memory. One byte in memory. Then last one is a Boolean, like variable I will give us true. Then you will be this Boolean will provides us true and false. These are the primitive data type in Java. And now I will come to PDF. Then after non-primitive data in Java, like a string, class, interface and array. These are the non-primitive data type in Java. We can say as user defined. I will explain in deeply when we will talk about the OOPS concept. Then you will be easily understand these. So string is not a data type in Java. It treats as an object. Class is a keyword. A class is likely as an object constructor, like a blueprint for creating object. Interface is an completely abstract class that is used to group related methods, which is empty bodies. Array are used to store multiple values in a single variable. These are the data types in a Java primitive and non-primitive data type. Now today's video I will conclude here. If you are really enjoy this video, please share this video in your friends and subscribe my channel Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next one. Thank you.